Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced? You're in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the full Jasper reports tutorial series. This is the continuation of our previous video. In the previous video, we calculated total salary based on the department, as well as we counted all the employees based on the department. As you can see, we have the first department, then we have second department, then we have third department. So let's discuss how we can calculate grand total salary and total employees. For that, let's switch back to the design mode. Okay, first what we want to do, we want to create a variable. Right click on the variables, then create variable. We want to add name for that. For example, grand total salary. So thereafter, let's add, for example, data type. We want to add double. After that, as you can see, we have calculation function. We want to select sum. Thereafter, we want to select expression. We have salary, then finish. That is good. After that, we want to create another variable to count all the employees. Create variable. For example, grand total employees. Okay, that is good. Let's add data type, for example, integer. Then we have function. We want to select count. Expression, we have id. And double click on that, then finish. Okay, you can place the grand total in the column footer, page footer, and summary, but the best place is the summary section or the summary band. We want to place here. Let's remove this band. Just delete this one and this one. Okay, for that we want to drag and drop total salary. Okay, after that we have grand total employees. Okay, drag and drop here. That is good. Let's select that. We want to add font size, then make bold, then center. Let's add border. We want to add, for example, this one. After that, let's add background color. For example, this one. Okay, so after that, let's concatenate some simple string. For example, I'm so sorry. For example, grand total salary. Okay, grand total salary. Then we want to add some simple string here. For example, total employees. Okay, we have spelling mistake, then finish. Let's preview that to see the result. As you can see, we have grand total salary and we have total employees. That is good. Okay, before watching this video, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous video, because in the previous video, we connected our report with MySQL database and we designed this report and we calculated the total salary and total employees based on the department. And the link is available in the description of this video. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.